Hi, it's Sandra, and it's time to announce my winner for October. And if you don't remember what I was giving away, here's a quick little reminder of what I was giving away. So I'm giving away the LE Halloween Monocle Stamper out of Box of Night. I'm giving away plate number 408, plate number M062, and plate number 245. So let's push this out of the way and let's see who wins the giveaway. All right. All right. And the winner is Nail Clock 6292. So, congratulations to Nail Clock 6292. Yay! And all you need to do is send me an email at nailstampology@gmail.com with your mailing address on there. And then what I will do is I will pack this stuff up and send it to you in the mail. So thanks everybody for watching. Congratulations to Nail Clock 6292, and see you soon.